Okay, friends. So to save the time, I have done what? I have done just written the codes and scripts as the video is getting longer and longer. So to compensate that, I have just written the scripts. So I will be summarizing that. So up till the flatten, we have just calculated all the previously uh, 30 years long average of the rainfall data. Now what we have done, we have now one image per month for the entire long period duration. We have just collected it, and monthly collection of the image collection we have formed also that. Now what we are going to do, we can compute the average for each month across all years. That is the average July precipitation for all July months in the collection. So that is also what we have done in the previous just slides. Then what we are going to do, we have just done we have also made a image collection of that long term means, having the calculated the mean values. So that we have also made. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make a just a 2020 data. So for that purpose, we have just add on the data of the chirps and filtered the date from 1st of January 2020 to 31st of December 2020, and created a boundary of bounds of Latur area. Then after that, it's pretty much similar as we have done before. Then after that, I calculated the monthly average rainfall of that particular year, that is the 2020, and in that I have written the codes of monthly totals months.map with the function of month, and returned with the filter of month, and gave a sum. Okay, so I have done the summation of that, and after that I have just given the observed rainfall with an image collection, as this particular function will lead towards the formation of the lists of all the months on the pentats, and doing a summation of that pentats. And after that we have to make an image collection of all those pentats. And after that, once the image collection is formed, I have just done the calculation of the deviation in percentage. So here, so friends, to calculate the deviation, we are going to follow a formula. That formula comprises of the two terms. Firstly, the long term mean, which we have calculated in the 30 for that 30 years. Secondly, the monthly observed, that is the current year monthly observed, current year months observed. Okay, so here I have just calculated with the where deviation months dot map function of the month. uh, that long term means that the monthly rainfall with the filter and the month. Okay, then again the same use we are going to do the monthly observed, that observed rainfall dot filter um, with the month, and the same functions, the same scripts are written as the above one. Now the formula is the monthly observed subtracting the long-term mean divided by the long-term mean, and totally and multiplied the whole value with 100 to get a percentage deviation value. So that we have calculated and given the deviation and returning the deviation. So after that, to follow that, I have just given a chart, and that series image series chart that we I have shown you earlier. So in that image collection chart, image collection, the deviation is given and the Latur region is selected with the reducer dot mean and scale. This time I have not selected 5,000, I have selected 10,000. Okay, and the X property is the month. So after all these variations, and after all these inputs, let's run this. And here, my dear friends, you can see the precipitation, the deviations which we can see. So in the deviations, what we can see is uh, the zero line resembles the uh, point at which the deviation is zero. It means the current value of the precipitation is equal to the long term 30 years average. Okay, so here you can see when the line is above the zero, so that means the precipitation or the rainfall is higher at that point in that current year, current month. Okay, so and when it is lower, that means the rainfall was less as compared to the 30 years average. So here you can see the average, the deviation was more in the April and the May and region from the and it's going on decreasing. Okay, so this was the deviation, my dear friends, and you can also download the CSV and SVG format, whatever you required. So that's it, my dear friends. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got a certain level of knowledge from this video. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit that like button. It just motivates me to do more. And yes, thank you. See you next time.